Welcome back to Early Riser Workshop. On a recent project, I needed to cut a rabbet on the edge of a disc. I wanted to come partially up into the outside edge of the disc, and I did not want a hole in the middle. So I built a jig. Well, of course I did. What I came up with is pieces of 3/4 melamine with a hinge and 2 bolts that are set for the distance for this router table. In the miter slot there are 2 recessed keyways, and by dropping the bolts into the keyway, it locks in place and prevents the jig from lifting. It won't lift up. And that's something that I wanted to have happen. And then the neat thing is that I'm using this bar that I made for the bandsaw jig, and it slides in the slot just like the bandsaw jig does. And it also uses the T-bolt and star knob to secure it in place in a hole in the back here. And what that allows us to do is to slide the pivot pin any radius that we wish for the circle in relationship to the router bed. So by sliding the bar and then tightening it, I then have the appropriate radius to cut a circle. Well, I don't really need to use the router bit to cut a circle. I mean, it can. If I wanted to put the recess on the inside though, I need to lower the workpiece onto the bit. So to do that, I would have the workpiece fastened. This is secure, the bar can't move. And as I slowly lower it into the bit and support it, I can then turn the workpiece, routing underneath it. Well, I hope you'll give this jig a try in your own workshop. Be sure to visit earlyriserworkshop.com for a full project plan on this jig and other projects that you can purchase, download, and build in your own Early Riser workshop. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun and stay safe.